Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we are going to be covering my favorite analytics platform, Plausible. But before we jump into that, I just want to thank you all for 100 subscribers. That is, may seem like a small milestone to you all watching, but to me, that is a room full of 100 people who want to continue watching my content. And that blows my mind. It really does. And I'm super, super thankful that we've gotten here. So let's move on. For Plausible, it is an analytics platform that does not rely on cookies, so it's out of the box GDPR compliant. It has a great pricing structure. This video is not sponsored. I just really like their product. It's very easy to use. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I will show you what we're rocking with. All right, so to get started, you want to head over to Plausible.io, and they have a free trial if you want to give this a try. But let's go ahead and take a look at their pricing. So their pricing is based off of monthly page views. So you can see as you go up 10K, 100K, 200K, million, your pricing goes up. I think I have mine set at 10K right now, which is 9 euros, pounds. I think that's euros. I'm very sorry. I am based in America, but I pay about $10 a month. And you may say, why would I pay for analytics when I have Google Analytics for free? Well, Google Analytics is changing because Google is trying to use cookies less themselves. So if you're used to Google Analytics, I think it's a great time to switch. Plausible couldn't be easier to use, and it's super cheap. So there's your pricing, but let's go ahead and get started taking a look here. So this is my Plausible Dashboard. You can see I have my main website, ryanbody.net, and then we're going to be taking a look at conquercss.com. So here's conquercss.com. If you're not aware, I am going to be publishing a book on CSS, and it is being edited right now. But I have this landing page to, sign up to be notified when it launches, collect emails, that kind of thing. And it just has some information about the book. Well, I want to know how many people are coming to this page and viewing it as opposed to how many are signing up. So that's very simple to do. I already have this set up, but let's say I wanted to add a new website. So I also own fatherhoodnow.com, which is an old website where I used to blog about being a dad. That's not active anymore. So you just type in your domain and your time zone, add snippet. It will give you one script tag. This is amazing. And I'm actually going to go back and delete that domain because I'm not going to be using it. So we'll just go to the danger zone here and delete. But I have my snippet for Conquer CSS. So let's go ahead and take a look at the code. So this is the code. Conquer CSS landing page is a SvelteKit project because there will be more pages on that site eventually, but right now it's just a landing page for those who are interested in the book. And you can see here, there's my Plausible code. That's it. I paste in that code, and then it takes a couple seconds to start collecting analytics, but if I were to click in here, you can see no one is going to my landing page. Anyway, so it's simple as that. I will go ahead and go back, and you can go to my main website, and you can see a bunch of analytics here. It gives you top pages by visitor count. It gives you top sources. So I have people coming from Reddit. I have people coming from some client websites. I have people coming from all over the place. And then, it breaks it down by device, by location. You get advanced statistics, or advanced filtering rather, so I can do the last 7 days, I can do the last 30 days, which I like to do, and I can do real time, which is really cool. There's no one currently on my website. I can do the last year, so I've had almost 1,000 people go to my website, and I can see where they're all coming from. So yes, this is an awesome analytics tool, Plausible.io. I'm going to keep this video short. Check it out. It is that simple. You generate one script tag, put it in the head of your website or website pages. If you're using SvelteKit, you only have to do it once, or a similar framework, you only have to do it once if you're doing a static site with HTML and CSS. You have to put it in every head on every page, but that's still not that much work to get advanced analytics. So that's it for this video. I'm going to keep it short. I do have more videos coming shortly, and I will see you in the outro. All right, and that's it. That's Plausible.io. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. I wanted to do a shorter video so that I could do an upload. As you may have heard in my last video, my daughter was recently born, so I've been a little busy, and I've been working on this book, Conquer CSS. So I have a lot going on, but I am going to keep doing some videos. Stay tuned. I have a video coming shortly that's going to be covering SvelteKit adapters and breaking down some confusion and showing you different options for SvelteKit adapters. And then I'm going to have another video coming out soon after that about deploying SvelteKit applications to Netlify for free. You guys know I'm a big fan of Render. I use Render for most of my projects, but I do use Netlify for some production stuff as well, because they have some pretty awesome features. Until then, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you're interested in more content like this or other web development topics, and until next time, cheers.